Imagine a planet 1,400 light-years away that resembles Earth in many ways. A planet orbiting a star like our Sun in the habitable zone. Today, we're diving deep into Kepler-452b, an exoplanet that scientists call Earth's cousin. We'll explore its intriguing characteristics, consider its potential for life, and discuss what makes it so unique in the search for other worlds. The discovery of Kepler-452b. Kepler-452b was discovered in 2015 by NASA's Kepler Space Telescope. Located in the constellation Cygnus, this planet orbits a G-type star, similar to our Sun, which is a unique find because most exoplanets discovered are around red dwarfs or stars quite different from our Sun. Kepler-452b is part of NASA's ongoing search for habitable planets beyond our solar system, specifically those that could support life. What makes Kepler-452b special? Unlike many exoplanets, Kepler-452b lies in the habitable zone, often called the Goldilocks zone. Not too hot, not too cold, where liquid water could potentially exist. What's more, this exoplanet is only about 60% larger in diameter than Earth. While that might not sound like much, it's large enough to create interesting differences in gravity and climate while remaining in a size range that could support Earth-like life. Similarities and differences with Earth. Kepler-452b shares an orbit similar to Earth's, taking about 385 days to complete a revolution around its star. However, because it's larger, it would have higher gravity, meaning objects and people would feel about twice as heavy as on Earth. Scientists speculate that this might mean it has a denser atmosphere, possibly affecting weather, climate, and even the potential for life to thrive. The age factor. Kepler-452b's star is about 1.5 billion years older than our Sun. That means Kepler-452b has existed for much longer than Earth, offering it more time to develop any potential forms of life if the conditions were right. Older planets like this allow scientists to consider what Earth might look like in the far future, exploring how older stars and planets evolve, and what that means for habitability, atmosphere, and climate speculation. While we don't know for sure if Kepler-452b has an atmosphere, scientists believe that if it does, it could be rich in carbon dioxide, allowing for a strong greenhouse effect. This may mean that Kepler-452b is warmer than Earth and might have different kinds of weather patterns, potentially experiencing thick cloud cover or more intense storms due to its age and position relative to its star. Could Kepler-452b support life? For life as we know it to thrive, liquid water is essential, as are the right chemical ingredients and a stable climate. While we can't confirm if Kepler-452b has these, its position in the habitable zone makes it one of the best candidates discovered so far. Imagining what life would be like there, we could expect organisms adapted to a higher gravity, perhaps even plants and animals different from anything on Earth, visualizing the surface of Kepler-452b. Picture a planet similar to Earth, but larger and more rugged, with mountains and valleys shaped by stronger gravity. If the planet has water, it could mean vast oceans, possibly covering much of the surface. Because of its size and climate potential, Kepler-452b's landscape might look like a more ancient, untouched version of Earth. Kepler-452b in popular culture and its importance for humanity. The discovery of Kepler-452b has inspired people to consider the possibility of other habitable planets in the universe. As we face challenges on Earth, planets like Kepler-452b represent hope, a reminder that there might be places beyond our solar system that could one day support human life. In our search for other worlds, Kepler-452b stands as one of the most Earth-like options found so far. Challenges of exploring Kepler-452b. Though it's an incredible find, Kepler-452b is 1,400 light-years away, meaning that with current technology, it would take thousands of years to reach. even sending robotic missions is far beyond our current capabilities. But with advances in telescopes and research on habitable exoplanets, Kepler-452b continues to be a fascinating subject for scientists and dreamers alike. Comparisons with other Earths recently discovered. Kepler-452b often comes up in discussions about Earth-like exoplanets. How does it compare to planets like Kepler-186f and Proxima Centauri b? Kepler-452b stands out due to its size, age, and location within its habitable zone, offering distinct scientific interest in terms of understanding potential life-bearing conditions, potential composition, and internal structure. Considering its size and age, Kepler-452b likely has a complex geological structure, including a dense crust, thick mantle, and possibly an active core. This could suggest tectonic activity, possibly including volcanic eruptions, which could influence the planet's surface and atmosphere, impacting its overall habitability, climate, and possible weather patterns. Given its orbit and atmospheric conditions, Kepler-452b could experience unique weather patterns. Scientists hypothesize that if it has an atmosphere, its weather might include intense storms, prolonged seasons, or a thick cloud cover, creating dynamic and possibly challenging environmental conditions. The astrobiological importance of Kepler-452b. Kepler-452b has become a primary focus for astrobiologists studying the potential for life beyond Earth. Its position in the habitable zone makes it an ideal candidate for testing theories about the origins of life and what we might expect from Earth-like planets elsewhere in the galaxy. How gravity would affect life on Kepler-452b. With stronger gravity than Earth, any life on Kepler-452b would have to adapt to higher gravitational forces. This could lead to unique biological adaptations, from shorter, sturdier plant life to different structural characteristics in animals, atmospheric composition, and specific climate effects. If Kepler-452b's atmosphere is rich in carbon dioxide or other greenhouse gases, it may experience a warmer climate. This effect could create a tropical or possibly desert-like environment, depending on the planet's heat retention and atmospheric dynamics. Technological advances needed to explore Kepler-452b. Reaching or studying Kepler-452b up close would require future technologies like advanced telescopes, probes, or even theoretical propulsion systems such as light sails. Scientists are working on these concepts, hoping one day to get detailed observations. Kepler-452b in popular culture and its symbolism. Kepler-452b has captured public imagination, inspiring books, films, and other media. It serves as a symbol of humanity's hope to find other Earths and consider a future where humans might explore or even inhabit another world. Comparing stellar evolution. Kepler-452b's system and our own. Examining Kepler-452b's solar system offers insights into our own. Its star's older age can help scientists understand the potential future of our solar system, hinting at changes Earth might experience billions of years from now. How Kepler-452b changed our perspective on the universe. Kepler-452b has shifted both scientific and public perspectives on the universe, reinforcing the belief that we might not be alone and that other habitable worlds could exist. Its discovery stands as a milestone in the search for other Earths in the cosmos. Kepler-452b shows us that the universe may be full of planets that resemble our own. While visiting or living there might not be possible right now, studying Kepler-452b gives us a glimpse into what other Earth-like worlds could be like. Who knows? Someday, humanity might discover a way to explore planets like this one, expanding our home to the stars. Until then, Kepler-452b remains a distant, yet inspiring reminder of what might be waiting beyond our reach.